You can kick up your heels from the suspended swings in the lounge at this home designed by architect Paul McLean. Hi, I'm Jessie Goddard for Hot Property. The dramatic $38 million showplace is fully furnished, replete with a rotating carport, 2 full bars, and a hand-blown glass chandelier finished in gold leaf. Built in 2017, the Bird Streets home further sets itself apart with a sauna with massage jets, 7 different kinds of imported marble, and a rotating guest bed designed to maximize city-to-ocean views. The 11,127 square foot home features a custom chef's kitchen, floating staircase with a 34-foot Murano chandelier, and indoor swing set. Outside, there's an infinity edge swimming pool, and in all, there are 5 bedrooms and 7.5 bathrooms. Make sure to come back every Thursday for Home of the Week and subscribe to check out all our hot properties.